Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment in the series of detection of the adulteration in a oil. Okay, so here the experiment that we are going to perform is a detection of the adulterant in a coconut oil. We have a coconut oil as a sample and we have to see that if this coconut oil is adulterant with the other oil or not. So before starting this experiment, we have to know that what is this adulteration. Okay, so simply adulteration is defined as a process in which a substance are added into the food product so that the quality of that food product are decreases, but the other properties like the quantity of that product, the flavoring, the flavors of that product, the color of that product are increases, but ultimately the quality of the product are decreases, and even we don't get that nutrition from that food product. That means that the nutritional value of the food product are also decreases. Okay, suppose that we have this coconut oil. Now this coconut oil have some nutritional property. Obviously, when we when we consume it, we get that nutritional property. But when this coconut oil are adulterated with the other type of the oil or other type of the adulteration, then these coconut oil are not giving that nutrition to us. Okay, its nutritional property are reduces or decreases. So that's why it is very important to detect the adulteration in adulterants into the food product, and the substance which are used for a adulteration process are known as a adulterants. Okay, they are not always in the form of the chemical. They sometimes some some bad ingredients of the food are also eliminate the good ingredients of the food product. That that also come in under the category of the adulteration. Okay, so for performing this experiment we don't need any chemical, we don't need any instrument. Okay, we just need what? We just need a coconut oil. This is our coconut oil. Now what we have to do, we kept this coconut oil inside the refrigerator at temperature range between 5 to 10 degree Celsius, and we leave that bottle inside the refrigerator for at least 60 to 90 minutes. Okay, then after that we remove this bottle from the refrigerator and see that if it is pure. Okay, if it is pure coconut oil, then then it will solidify. Okay, and if it is adulterated with this some other ingredients, then it is not completely solidify. So this experiment is very simple. We just kept this bottle inside the refrigerator. Okay, so we will see the result after 90 minutes. Is it coconut oil are solidified or not? If it is solidified, then it is clear that our coconut oil are pure and it is not adulterated with the other substances. So just kept it inside the refrigerator and see the result after 90 minutes. Okay, so I kept this coconut oil inside the refrigerator at 5 to 10 degrees Celsius for a 90 minutes to see that this coconut oil are pure or adulterant. Okay, so you can see that it is solidified completely. Okay, because I kept it like this, that's why it solidified like this. Okay, if it is adulterant with this other ingredient, then this layer are not completely solidified. Okay, there is some oil mixture are there, but here you can see that it is very clear. It is solidified. Whole layer of the coconut oil solidified, which means that our coconut oil are not adulterant. Okay, it is pure. So this experiment is very simple. You can also perform only this experiment, the detection of the coconut oil the detection of the adulterant in a coconut oil in also in your home, because you don't need any chemicals, you don't need any instrument, you just need a coconut oil and a refrigerator. So this is all about the detection of the adulterant in a coconut oil. I hope you will understand, but if you have any queries related to this experiment, you can freely to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail you can follow the ITLS Academy at different platforms, that is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.